China has
Yeah.
banned all cryptocurrency transactions. Bitcoin lost nearly $2,000 in value today after the announcement, which, by the way, is not that much considering how big of a deal cryptocurrency and crypto mining was in China even just a couple of years ago. Um, China's continuing crackdown on cryptocurrency, likely fueled in part by power and fuel shortages. Yep, that's fair enough. It's also probably fueled by control. I mean, a non-fiat currency is a threat to governmental control of their own economy. These energy shortages seriously impacting. Yep. Beijing is apparently even asking some food producers to shut down. So their official stance on the issue of crypto is that it's a volatile, speculative investment scheme at best and a way of laundering money at worst. The People's Bank of China says virtual currency related business activities are illegal financial activities that seriously endanger the safety of people's assets. I mean, okay, maybe. I think it's pretty clear this is China being China and doing China things, but do you think that China's ban could lead other nations to do the same, or could it have the opposite effect?
Opposite effect. I don't think it's going to have too much of the opposite effect. Who is anyone saying it's going to have the opposite effect?
Senator Pat Toomey posted quite a bit on Twitter actually about China's authoritarian crackdown on crypto. This is a big opportunity for the U.S. and free market, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, economic liberty is good for growth, et cetera. I mean, they're not terrible points, quite frankly.
Hmm. Sure. I don't honestly think it's going to mean much for many. I guess I'll say it that way. Because I don't think it's had as big of an impact in a ton of other countries as it has had in China. It's a very big deal there.
Right.
It was a very big industry there. And China has I don't know what you want to call it, the infrastructure and engineering capability to like spin up these big Bitcoin farms and support
Sure.
them very quickly and efficiently. It has the workers and the people to do it. It has the hardware output to like make the cards there, make all the hardware that they need there and set it up there. Like they were fairly uniquely positioned to do this very quickly, and they got behind it very quickly. And then they squashed it very quickly. I feel like everything there was accelerated. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's going to impact other countries too much. I think they're all going to kind of figure out their own things.
That's fair.